Hi everyone, Chris L here from Squirrel again. How you all doing? How's your match betting going? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you're all doing really well, and I hope you are all making profits. So in today's video, what I'm doing is I'm responding to a question that was dropped in our forum from our member Harry. If you're a subscriber to this channel, which you definitely should be, then you'll know that my recent videos have been about horse racing. And Harry's question actually relates to horse racing offers, specifically the starting price favourite. He says, I never seem to understand how to work out what the SP, starting price favourite is. How do I know what it's going to be? Well, Harry, you're in luck because this video is all about the starting price favourite, aka the SP as it's sometimes called in horse racing, and I'm going to answer exactly that for you now. So what is the starting price favourite? Well, it's really simple. It's simply the horse that has the lowest odds at the start time of the race. When the race gets going, whichever horse had the lowest odds at that time is considered the starting price favourite. Once a race starts, it will be clear what that is. It will be indicated at the bookmaker. But if you're ever in any doubt as to which horse is the starting price favourite, then go ahead and hit up the bookmaker on live chat just to confirm. So in answer to your question, Harry, how do you know what the starting price favourite is going to be? And the honest answer is you don't. You never quite know exactly what horse is going to be the favourite when the race starts, and there's a few reasons for that. The main reason is that the odds are changing all the time, and they will change right up until the last second before that race begins. And a horse that was maybe the second or third favourite may see its odds come down dramatically and therefore become the starting price favourite, and this could happen just a few seconds before the race starts, so it is really difficult to predict that. And even if there is a horse which is the clear favourite, its odds are massively lower than all of the other horses in the field, then you actually still can't be 100% sure that this will be the starting price favourite, because this horse might be withdrawn before the race begins. So actually, you're never going to know for sure what the starting price favourite is, but we are interested sometimes in what the SP favourite is because it relates to some offers. There are some horse racing offers out there where they'll say things like refund if your horse finishes second to the starting price favourite, and so on and so forth. So in a moment, I'm going to make a couple of suggestions as to how you could try and predict what this horse is if you're trying to actually complete those sorts of offers. But the truth is, you're never actually going to know. You just have to go with what you think is probably going to be the starting price favourite, and then hope that that works out when it comes to completing the offer. Now, the starting price favourite can often change several times before the start of the race, and this happens because odds will get shorter when more bets are placed on a horse, and odds will get longer. They will increase in number, so they might go from 2 up to 4 or 5 or whatever when there are less people betting on that horse. And if you've done any sort of horse racing offers before, then you will not be a stranger to seeing the odds fluctuating quite a lot before the start of the race. If you're trying to make a bet with a horse that is the starting price favourite in order to complete some sort of offer, then you might be interested in using bookmakers that use a best odds guarantee. Now, I'm not going to go into exactly what best odds guarantee is here and give examples and explain it. I'm actually going to do that in another video down the line, so make sure you subscribe if you're interested in seeing that. But essentially what it is, it's a way of guaranteeing that you can actually get the best, aka highest odds for your bet, whether the odds have changed or not. So what would I recommend if you are trying to complete an offer where you have to know what the starting price favourite is going to be, or for example, you want the horse that you're backing to finish within a certain position of the starting price favourite, maybe behind it, or third or fourth or something like that? Well, essentially what I would recommend is waiting until really close to the start time of the race to actually place the back bet on your horse, and then you would place the back bet on the appropriate horse that's in the right position for you. So for example, I've got a Ladbrokes horse racing screen up here. Let me just pick a race at random. So for example, this one at Kempton, and this is a race that is happening later today. But let's just imagine that, say, it's 1 minute before the race starts, and we're going to have a look and see what the favourite is. So at the moment, it's this one, 2.25 National Treasure, and we can see that the second favorite is this one, Tanita. Wasn't sure how you said that for a minute. Tanita is the second favorite at 2.37. And so if this was a sensible match for us, if we could get a decent qualifying loss here and we were looking to back the horse that was going to finish second to the starting price favorite, we've got about a minute to the race starting, we could guess with a reasonable amount of certainty that this National Treasure is going to be the starting price favorite, and then maybe Tanita is going to be the horse that comes in second place. Of course though, as I've said before with other horse racing videos, the key to completing horse racing refund style offers is to make sure you have a very, very low qualifying loss. And with horse racing, a lot of different things can happen. You know, we could quite easily get this horse Run Wild, that's currently the third favorite. That horse could easily go on to win or come second. So the real thing I think to prioritize is not necessarily what the starting price favorite is going to be, but is that qualifying loss when completing horse racing offers. If you're not sure how to do horse racing refunds, check out the comments below, and I have a link to one of my earlier videos which gives you a guided walkthrough, shows you exactly how to complete that style of offer. So that's it. I hope that answered your question, Harry. Thank you all so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss out on any of the latest free information on match betting. If you want to make money online, then this is the channel to watch. Hit that like button if you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you all again in another Profit Squirrel video very, very soon.